Hey folks, this side it's Karthikeya Chawla on the behalf of Jam and Panther team at Prolifix. Today I'll be discussing about emit tags and what do they do when linked with Panther Screen. So let's get the ball rolling. So here you can see that I have opened my Panther Screen. This is just a simple login screen, as you can see, having two fields named as username and password. These are two dynamic labels, and alongside which I have used one button named as login. So when I'll click on the screen and go to web options, HTML options, so you can see that I'm using one template that is named as login.html, which I have opened over here in Eclipse. And I have opened my Eclipse in Panther perspective, which you can download from GitHub. So if I'll come back to Panther screen, as you know that the name of the fields are username and password, alongside which I have written one prompt for the screen in the focus section that it will generate message for the login successful when I key in my credentials for the screen. So to display my message in the web, I am using form messages tag, which I'll explain somewhat later on. And in the HTML template, you can see that I'm using emit username, emit password, and emit login. So for the messages, as I told that form messages, they display the message tags or the messages that you have stored in your JPL proc in a separate div, which will be created automatically in the HTML. So if I switch back to browser, and for once I'll go, and so you can see the page source that is already there, and that the username field has already taken its place with all these things, that glyph icon and this username input tags, and everything has been added already. So if I switch back to my screen and place my cursor over here, you'll see the bootstrap popover also, which you saw in the user view page source, sorry. And if I key in my credentials that are support@prolifix.com and add my password and hit sign in, so you'll see that message as message in a separate div, as I mentioned, and that is the same thing, login successful. So in case of any other query, you can email us at support@prolifix.com. We are there to help you. Thank you. If you like the video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.